If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this plain bottle of wine just by adding some glitter and pearls into this lovely bottle of embellished wine, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be adding some glitter to this Stella Rosa wine bottle. This bottle is actually huge and very heavy. This is a bottle that I'm doing a second attempt at. The first time I did it, it did not come out cute at all to me. And before this video is over, I'll show it to you. And I didn't post the video because I felt like it was a super fail. But I have a different idea how I would like to do this bottle now. And another reason why it was a fail is because I didn't realize that the black I used was a blue black. So it looked more like a navy color instead. Thank goodness it was an empty bottle my aunt gave me. So I just decided to replace the bottle for her with wine in it because she loves this wine. This time I'm using a black glitter. And this is for sure black. It doesn't have any other blues or anything else in it. I'm going to be using a different type of glue today. So instead of using Mod Podge to apply the glitter, I'm going to use this glue called Art Glitter. I purchased this about a year ago. It is a little expensive. I think I paid about $18 for this 8-ounce bottle. I think the company is based out in Arizona. So it's called Designer, and it dries clear, and it says it's a permanent water-based non-toxic glue. So this can be purchased at artglitter.com. They also sell glitters, very high quality glitters that are not cheap at all. Like some of their glitters can be up to $100 for like a pound of glitter. So I guess they're like, yeah, they're polyesters. So I'm going to be using this. It was very hard to open, so I had to run some really hot water on it. So it's one of those glues that, you know, it dries clear. I've already wiped the whole entire bottle off here with alcohol. And I'm just going to take this little lid and pour some glue into it. Also, I'll be using a 2-inch sponge brush. I'm just going to go ahead and get started, you guys. Oh, and also a big fluffy brush to knock off the excess glitter. Okay, so I'm just going to start from the bottom with my sponge brush. Now, if you look closely, you can see that once I start to add this glue to the bottle, it looks like the glue is almost like disappearing. I'm not sure what that's about, but you have to work really quickly with this glue, at least in my experience with it. So I made sure I had a hefty amount on there. I was trying to kind of carve out a label, an imaginary label, so I can kind of get like a straight line going the best way I could. So as you can still see, it looks like the glue is just leaving the bottle. And you don't want to wait too long because it will start to get a little rubbery on you. So I'm doing this in sections. And I purchased this black glue. I purchased this black glitter from Michael's. Now, I didn't initially feel the need to do this for this video, but I could have painted the back of this bottle black, just so where it has the ingredients on it, to not have that part kind of peek through the glitter. This black glitter did pretty good with the coverage, but you could kind of see that a little bit on the first coat of glitter. So I am just still working my way up to the top, making sure that every part of this bottle is covered with glue and glitter. Okay, so I have the bottle covered with the first coat of glitter. So I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and then I'll come back and put on a second coat. And so far, I think it's really pretty. This bottle is no joke. It is really, really, really big, but I love how this black glitter is so sparkly. Okay, so right now I am adding on the final layer of glitter, and I'm just adding on the glue, just blotting it on, just pressing it on as quickly as possible, making sure that I cover all of the glue with the glitter. And then once this second coat dries, then I will be able to seal the glitter. Okay, so it has been a full 24 hours and this has dried pretty well. This is the two coats. Very shiny and sparkly and very pretty. Now I'm going to be using this product called TriArt liquid glass. Usually this is something that you would use when you're trying to seal the paint on a canvas. That's what I use it for. Or when I'm adding glitter and my rocks and crushed glass to my paintings that I do, I use this product. And I think it makes the glitter look nice and shinier than my Podge. But if you don't have this product, don't worry about it. You could just use Mod Podge. It'll still have some sparkle, but just to me, not as much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. It's like kind of a very runny consistency. So for me, what I do is I kind of pour it on, kind of like how I did the glue I used. I would like to use a brush, but I couldn't find one. So I'm gonna just, because sometimes this can get kind of torn up with this rough glitter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have the whole bottle covered with the sealant that I use. I'm going to allow this to dry for probably about maybe an hour or so. And then I'll show you how it looks. Until then, I'm going to add something else to this bottle. Okay, so while I'm waiting for this bottle to fully dry, I am going to add some embellishments. I kind of want to go around this trim, really because it's black glitter and then this background is black. I just want to bring out the gold in there somehow. And I'm going to be using a different glue today. I want to try something different today. Today I'm going to be using a different glue. This glue is called Super Tight. It's called Fusion Tack Adhesive. It says that it's an industrial fabric glue and it dries clear and permanent. Now I know it says it's a fabric glue, but I read it and it also says that it works on fabric, glass, leather, plastic, wood, and more. Now that kind of reminds me of E6000. And from what I read also, it says that you only have to let this dry for 1 hour and it's water resistant. So I've come across a few videos, people use this on tumbler cups and things like that, so this must be the real deal. But I came so close to the word Stella Rosa around with the glitter. I'm gonna have to go on top of the glitter with the pearls. We'll see how that works. So we're gonna go kind of on top. Maybe up here I won't have to, but on the side, I'm gonna have to go on the glitter. I don't know how that's gonna work. It's kind of dry. It's pretty much dry. So I'm going to be using these 6mm pearls. Ooh. And then I have this wax pickup tool I'm using. I'm going to go ahead and get started.
Of course, this step is optional, but I definitely feel like this bottle did need something around this imaginary label that I kind of made on this bottle.
So the Super Tight glue is white. I kind of probably used too much. And I'm not even sure if these are going to stick. So I just made this come to a stop. Plus it's a little slanted. I'm going to have to start this side over. I'm using E6000 because I know E6000 is pretty much a beast. And I need it to go on top of this glitter. Some glues you can't have it on a rough surface or just any old where and it won't stick. So I'm going to use E6000 to get this done, and I'll just use the Super Tight on a flat surface at the top of the bottle. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, so I am using various size pearls, some jumbo pearls and some smaller pearls. So I'm basically using 6, 8, and 10mm pearls. Just switching it up. It looks like there's a lot of glue here, but it's just the fact that it's white. And I do have to use a little more glue than I would with rhinestones because these pearls are huge. My only concern is in between what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be able to see some black. So that's where I probably should have painted this, maybe a gold color, but it's not really necessary. It'll still look nice because the whole theme of the bottle is black and gold. So I'm almost finished with this part, and I'll just show you guys the final result when it's finished. And also to avoid spilling out so much, because this comes out really good, what you could do is use a precision tip bottle. I'll have to start back using mine. The tip dries out for me and it frustrates me. So I just kind of go straight from the bottle. I think this is looking really good with the black and gold and the pearls. I like these gold pearls. I forgot to show you guys. The one on the left is the first one that I did, complete fail. And you see the glitter wasn't really black. It was like a blue black. Then I attempted to trace out the crown. I just didn't want to deal with it, period, on this other bottle, and I'm okay with that. I didn't like how the rhinestones sat on it. it just was not good. So this just goes to show all of your DIYs may not come out perfectly like you think they will. That's no reason to get discouraged, because I have a couple things that never made it to YouTube because it was just like, no. So that does happen. And these are the same type of wine, but I noticed the labels are a little different, but they are the same. This wine is about $30, and I purchased it from, you know, the state store from my aunt. I'm gonna give her both of them. She can throw the other one away if she wants to, but like I said, the one she gave me was her bottle and it was empty. So I felt, you know, of course, that I need to replace the bottle. So I bought her a new bottle of it, and of course it's not empty. So I think this bottle came out really cute. I like the gold pearls. I do. I like it, you guys. But the other one to me was just a big no-no. A big no-no. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure I showed you guys the other bottle. You see how that's like a navy blue glitter? Yeah. I really like this black. It's so sparkly. It's so pretty. But okay, you guys, this does conclude the video. This is a huge bottle too.
Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this Stella Rosa bottle of wine. And I think the black is just very pretty and sparkly. And I really do like the 6mm pearls that I have outlined around the somewhat of a label that I created. And I also like the bigger size pearls that I have at the top. This black glitter actually really surprised me, and I really do like this. I'm gonna have to use this black glitter a little more often. But I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you did find it helpful or useful in some way. Give it a thumbs up if you did like this video, and share it on Facebook if possible. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, where we sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and much more. Use my coupon code ROYALBEAUTY10OFF for a special discount for my subscribers. Be sure to check out our website, CRTacticaldefense.com, where we sell in-waistband gun holsters available in 4 different sizes. We also carry gun cleaning mats and much more. Use my special discount code VIBES, VIBES, for my subscribers. Be sure to check out my playlist available on this channel with other videos just like the one you watched today. And if you are going to subscribe, be sure to hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted each time I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching this video, you guys. Bye-bye.